I'm Ray Bowdish from the State University of New York, SUNY Potsdam in the biology department, and I'll be talking about Excel. We've got a lab activity today, and I've started to fill in the data sheet, and I wanted to show you how I can do this pretty quickly and easily. You'll notice here I have sample numbers. Sample number 1 with 3 subsamples were taken from it, and then we're going to fill in some data later. To do this quickly, you can simply page down, typing in 111. I'll clear this by simply selecting it, right-click, clear contents, and then I'll show you how I filled this in. Simply using my keypad and typing in the letters as I go, just the standard way that you would fill in any spreadsheet manually. Just made a mistake. And finally, 9 subsamples. But to make this column, I used a neat little trick. Okay, again, right-clicking to clear those contents. All you need to do is type 1, 2, 3. Then you can select those 3 cells and go to the lower right corner. You'll notice that the cursor changes to from an open crosshairs to a closed crosshairs when it reaches the pull point, the edge of the box. Click on that pull point, pull it down. It fills it in with a series automatically. It's guessing that you want to do that. But here in the autofill options, you can choose copy cells, and it'll copy them down for you. Now, filling in the number of organisms. Let's say the data gave us something like this. And so forth. And we're just going to copy this data to fill it in quickly for the demonstration. And we can select the cell and simply choose paste, and it'll paste that block in. We can drag it down and choose copy, and it'll copy those cells. The number of types of organisms, let's say, is a little different, and we have to fill that in manually. Once you've filled your spreadsheet in, you can notice that all of these are numbers because they're right justified. And you'll note that the text is at the top. All of the information is repeated in rows that needs to be for each subsample. And this is an example of how you would fill in a basic spreadsheet in Excel.